Okay, here I have a loop that will go through this list of tuples and extract just the phone number sections. Okay, let's see if that works. I'll go back to my clipboard and then copy some text, Control C, Command C, and then run my program. Let's start from here, run that, the email regex section, and then the paperclip module. Have that, and then I don't need to run this because I have a for loop here. I'll run it. Then I have my extracted email, which looks good. Then the extracted phone number part. See, now it looks much more better, right? Now I only have the phone number section. See, U is just a Unicode. Don't worry about U. U means it's the Unicode representation of this string. Okay, so here I have only the phone numbers, right? So the for loop has gone through this list of tuples and then extracted just the phone number. And we did that by passing index 0. Good. Now that we have this, our last task is to copy the extracted email and phone numbers to the clipboard. Okay? So let's see how we can do that. I'll copy this part and paste it down here. Let's see how we can accomplish that. For that, so here I have a list of extracted emails and phone numbers, right? But I don't want to present it in this format. I want one phone number in one line and then a new line for the next phone number and so on. So in order to do that, I'll be using the join method that we have learned before. So I will join, right, new line, that join, I'll be joining all phone numbers that we extracted, right, here, plus new line, right, plus, and then I'll join the extracted emails in a new line. I have new line, that join, extracted emails, right? Extracted email plus extracted email. Good. And I'll save the result of this in an object. I'll just call it results, and that will store the result of this. And once I have that, I'll be using the paperclip's copy method to copy the results to some other word processing. So once I have the results, I'll be using paperclip's copy method to copy the results in some other word processing programs. Okay? So let's do that. For that, I have from the paperclip module, I'll be using the copy method. Then I'll pass in results. Good. Now let's see the result of this. I'll go back to my document here and copy some phone numbers and emails, some text. Let's copy this up to here, Command C. Then let's run our program. Run it. Run that. And then we have extracted email. Looks good. Extracted phone number. Looks great. Then I have this last part. Okay, it's run. So this part is successful. And if there was an error, I mean, you won't see the results of this extracted email and phone number here, but if there was an error, you'll definitely see an error. So now if I go to some other word processing programs, I'm just going to go to Text Wrangler. Okay. And then if I paste it here, you see here I have a list of all my phone numbers and emails, each in new line. Okay, good. Let me go back. So now that my program works well, I can go back to this document and copy the entire document, right? And then paste it to my program and extract the emails and phone numbers only, right? So if I go back here and then run my program, you see here, this is the list of all email addresses from what I have copied. And this is a list of all phone numbers. Then run that and go back to your word processing program. Then let me delete all of this and then paste it here. You see how nice it looks? See here, phone number in parentheses, the different kinds, area code, and then I have a list of all the phone numbers. Here you see the ones without area code, so I know my code is working well. And then I have all the email addresses here, so I know now my program is working. And then once you have this, you can use it for other purpose. You can, save it or do whatever you want. And this is how we can use the program. Imagine if you have thousands and thousands of records, right? If you have thousands and thousands of pages, you can simply use this program to extract phone numbers and emails from this document. Okay? And we did that by using the Papersclip module also, which allowed us to copy from the clipboard, right? And then also extract email and phone number and then paste it back in some word processing program, right? Good. And you can also use this to extract email and phone number from any document. Here I have a site. So this is a list of address and phone number of doctors in New York, right? So in this page I have a list of some doctors addresses. So I can extract phone numbers from this page by using my program. So if I copy Command A to select all, Command C to copy, and run my program here. Okay. Run it. Extracted email. There is no email in that page, so my result is an empty list. Extracted phone numbers, so I have some phone numbers. And then I can use the Paperclip's copy method and then copy the results in some word processing document program. So if I go down here and then paste it here, Command V, you see this had a list of phone numbers from that page. Great. In summary, we saw how to write a program that will grab all the phone numbers and email addresses from a given document. And then we did that by creating a regex object for phone numbers. Then we created a regex for email addresses. Then we got the content from the clipboard and then extracted the email and phone numbers from this clipboard. Once we have that, we had a for loop that went through the list of tuples and grabbed just the phone number only. And once we did that, we extracted the email and phone number and then formatted it so that each phone number appeared in a new line. And we did the same for email addresses. I hope you have a basic understanding of regular expressions and their use. And also, you can go to any website, you can Google any document like this and then use this program to grab phone numbers and emails. Okay? Thank you everyone, and I hope you have enjoyed this project.